In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message your customers on Amazon Seller Central. Ensuring clear communication with your customers is a crucial aspect of maintaining a successful business on Amazon. Whether you need to assist with order queries, request feedback, or provide updates, reaching out through Amazon Seller Central is a vital tool. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Amazon Seller Central login page, which can easily be found through a quick online search. Once there, enter your credentials to access your seller account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, use the navigation menu at the top of the page to find the Contact Us button. Click on it to start the process of reaching out to your customers. Once you're on the Contact Us page, take a moment to select the appropriate language. As you might be serving a diverse customer base, it's important to communicate in a language that your customers are most comfortable with. For now, we'll choose English by clicking on the language dropdown and selecting it. Next, turn your attention to the Subject section. This step is about choosing the subject of your message, a key decision because it sets the context for your customers. Clicking the Subject dropdown will present you with several options. Pick the one that aligns closely with the nature of your communication. This precise selection helps your customers understand the purpose of your message quickly. The following step involves a brief description of the issue or inquiry. Click on the prompt labeled "Please describe your issue" and type in a clear and concise description. This is crucial because it gives your message clarity and direction. Remember, the clearer you are, the easier it is for your customers to respond effectively. Afterwards, you'll need to choose your preferred contact method. Click on Contact Method to explore the available options. We recommend selecting email, as it's the most straightforward and provides a written record for both parties, which can be useful for reference. There will be an option indicating the estimated wait time, usually less than a minute. Clicking here will bring up a field to enter your name. Doing so personalizes the message, adding a human touch that can enhance the customer's experience. At this stage, you have the option to attach any files that might be relevant to your message. This could include images of a product, order confirmation details, or any other documentation that may assist in clarifying your communication. It's optional, but attaching files can sometimes be helpful, particularly in more complex inquiries. Finally, highlight any key points in your message to draw attention to important information. This can aid in ensuring that the key messages aren't missed by your customers. By highlighting, you emphasize the main points, facilitating a smoother communication process. These collective steps are essential for setting up efficient and effective communication through Amazon Seller Central. With these tools at your disposal, you can maintain robust customer relationships and address any issues promptly. So get started and enhance your customer service experience today.